In this lecture, we will see that on the basis of which language Python has been modified and who has modified it. Python is an interpreter level language. To interpret it, we need an interpreter who interprets it line by line. It is called general purpose language because its syntax is same like general English language. It was first developed by Dutch scientist Guido van Rossum in 1991 and he developed it on the rules and regulations of the ABC language as its base. Later on, Python Software Foundation further enhanced it. It follows three different paradigms: functional, structured, and object-oriented programming. We can use it for preparing all types of advanced software such as web software, service-side scripting, operating system level scripting, and it solves mathematical problems nicely. Big data computation like text and string manipulation is very strong from all languages. The most special feature is that it is platform independent. The code of Windows can work on Mac and Linux, or Linux code can be used on Windows and Mac. Its syntax is same like English language. That is why it is called general purpose language and it can be typed very easily. It has two versions, version 2 and version 3. Version 2 was tried to finish in 2008, but due to security reasons they placed new security checks. They didn't finish, rather in parallel they executed and brought certain changes in that. In January 2020, version 2 was completely dumped. Now version 3 has been its latest release. 3.82, which is available on Python's site, can be downloaded from there. It relies on indentations, curly brackets or semicolons are not used in it. If we compare Python language with other languages, then Python is dynamically typed language, which we can type like simple English. Whereas other high-level languages like Java and C++, we have to remember some specific commands. In Java, if we have to display anything on the screen, then we have to type the command of system.out.print with semicolons at the end. Only then our command will be executed and displayed on the screen. On the other hand, it's not like this in Python. In Python, you can give the command of print and display anything on the screen. If we have to do input, we do it with scanner class in Java. Whereas in Python, we just have to write the command to input. Python language is not compiled. It is interpreted line by line. On the other hand, other languages' codes are compiled by compiler, then executed. The advantage of Python is that its feature of interpretation makes its computation faster than other languages. In the next video, we will see how we can set the environment of Python on Windows, Mac, and Linux.